If you've watched any primetime television lately, you've probably seen ads for and against State Question 777, the Right to Farm Amendment, both claiming to support Oklahoma family farmers, both lacking factual evidence.
And quite frankly, the rhetoric, I think, it's fear-mongering. I mean, farmers and ranchers, their investment is into the land. It is into the water. They drink the same water that you and I drink.
Environmentalists and opponents of 777 acknowledge that there is much unknown about the impact of a yes vote, but feel that the wording in the ballot title is enough cause for concern.
It's actually going to impinge on democracy, mainly in that it will restrict the ability of local governments and legislators to do their jobs that they are voted in to do. It would require what's called a compelling state interest judicial test, which is a bar set so high that it would literally tie the hands on farming and agriculture and ranching issues of elected officials.
Even Tom Buchanan, the president of the Oklahoma Farm Bureau, has stated that he wished the title had been written differently. But that's not Bridgewater and the Sierra Club's only concern. A deregulated farming industry means millions of pounds of animal waste could find its way into our water supply. If Question 777 passes, any state statute enacted after 2014 that regulates farming will be deemed unconstitutional. That includes the 2016 Water and Water Rights Law, and means that the state courts will have to find those magic words, a compelling state interest, to keep this fresh. In the United States, the number of animals raised on farms is on the rise, but the total number of farms continues to decrease. Some, including the Oklahoma Food Cooperative, an online distributor of organic food, worry about this trend, while others don't think that's a problem that exists in Oklahoma.
It opens a door for corporate interests to come into the state and have an even wider, an even more unrestricted playing field than they already have. I mean, let's be real about this. Corporations already enjoy all the rights of citizenship in this country. It's just another step along the same path we've been walking in this country for lots of decades now. Talking about the consolidation of wealth and power and control in the hands of a very few people.
I tell the opponents all the time, if Oklahoma is set up in a way that there would be a proliferation of corporate agriculture, they would have already taken over. There wouldn't be 98% of the operations today family owned and operated. So no, in no way do we believe this empowers corporate farming. It does not give those guys additional rights, nor does it take away any regulations.
As for what the state thinks, I asked the Department of Environmental Equality. They said they haven't conducted any research on what Question 777 could mean for Oklahoma. Nate Fain, OU Nightly.